Hey guys, it's Taylor here, and we're here today with a slime challenge. And in today's video, I'm going to be making slime on the table with no mixing material, no bowl. I'm just going to be using my hands and the table. So all we're going to be using for this video is some Elmer's glue. It's just white Elmer's glue, but it doesn't really matter what kind we use. We're going to be using some Gillette Foamy regular original shaving cream. Then for my activator, I'm going to be using, don't mind like how slimy it is, I'm going to be using some Clear Comfort multi-purpose solution, which is just contact solution. And maybe in the end, if it's not how I want it to be, I'll add in some lotion. And the lotion I'm using today is Sweet Pea Shea Vitamin Body Lotion. And yeah, it's from Bath & Body Works, so that store's amazing if you want to get slime stuff. So first I'm going to pour the glue on the table. I don't even know if this is going to work. Like, this may be a fail, but it doesn't really matter. We're not going to pour too much. Okay. It's pretty good for me. Okay. Next, we're going to be adding in the shaving cream. And this is also teaching you a recipe how to make slime anyway. So yeah, it's really helping you guys out, I hope. So here comes shaving cream. Oh, wait a second. I want to add in some color first. Guys, coloring is like my favorite part of the slime. So, I don't know, what color do you guys want me to do? I think I'm going to do like a really bright yellow. We'll just get it out for y'all. So we're going to add in the coloring. Okay. It's pretty good for me right now. Okay, next. Sorry, I forgot to mention that at the beginning of the video. So now we're going to mix that. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh, it's like a orangey kind of. But yeah, it's really nice. Alright, so we're back. And I'm just going to keep mixing like this. And I'm going to try to bring it over here a little bit because the camera... Oh yeah, perfect. This is actually a lot better. Okay. I'm going to keep mixing. I know this is probably like really boring you right now, but it's actually really fun. I recommend you guys do this at home, but my recommendations may change at the end of the video. Okay, so now we're going to add in some shaving cream. Now we are, at least. Okay, there we go. There's our shaving cream. I'm going to mix that in. And this color is going to be like really pretty by the end of the video. Yeah. So I'm just going to keep mixing. It may look really white in the camera, but it's like a really pretty yellow over here. I'm going to call it Easter slime, even though it's nowhere near... Actually, no, we'll call it summer slime. We can add in a little bit more just for camera sakes. There we go. Yeah, this is like a really pretty color right now. Okay. Now we're going to be adding in the contact solution to activate this baby. Okay. Here we go. Squirting in, you can't really see it obviously because it's pretty clear liquid. So as you can see, it's not activating very well because I don't think it's stirring very well either. I'm gonna add some more shaving cream. It's a lot though. We'll activate it too. Okay. Oh, as you can see, it's activating. Oh my god, this is like so pretty. The color is amazing. On the camera, it's like showing up as like a really like pale yellow. But it's like really nice. We're gonna activate it more. Contact solution, just be aware. Contact solution I wouldn't really recommend unless your like mom's trying to like keep you to like not be so like not using like Tide or anything like that. But I'd recommend it still. Okay. It's sort of activating. I'm going in with 2 hands now. And we're seeing that's very fluffy. I really like this texture. I really like felt this texture before. Maybe it's like first time luck for like the table slime. Here, let's add in some more contact solution. Sorry, it's like off camera. I really have no choice. Slime has its own mind. Okay, so it's kind of going together. Not really. Maybe some more shaving cream will do. It's a lot of shaving cream that I just added in though. Maybe it's a little bit too much. I don't know what to call it. I'm pretty upset because my shaving bottle is kind of full of slime right now. Oh yes, it's coming together, thankfully. I'm going to rub it in some more shaving cream off to the side because there was just more that got onto the table. Okay. This slime is actually really nice. So, I'm going to be right back in a minute. And I'm going to come back with some ASMR. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the background noise. I'm in my basement right now, so like the heating got kicked on. So this is actually like a really, really pretty color. And it's really clicky too. And it's like really bubbly and like just stretchy and glossy. But it's kind of sticks to your hands, but that's not the table's fault. That's kind of the slime's fault. It's me not adding in a lot of activator. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is like really jiggly. It's not that glossy. I think it's just the lighting. Sorry guys. I'm gonna add in some more contact solution right now. Okay, it's added in. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I recommend this challenge if you're gonna do it with like maybe like a friend or something, and it's really cool. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below for any suggestions for me or what to do in my next video. This channel is all about DIYs, and this is my first video. So thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Bye.